again. It's a rich thing.
What's going on, YouTube fam? We're headed to TeamXaccord meet. So before that, we're gonna go ahead and wash our cars. Hash is coming, Kais is coming here. We got Benny, of course, and they're gonna be parked up in a bit. We're gonna go ahead and wash the cars real quick and watch the whole video, guys. We're gonna see a bunch of Accords with different setups and modifications, or whatever you want to call it. If you're gonna hate on something, do not comment, please. And of course, everyone's got their own interest, own passion, so support everyone. I appreciate that. Thanks for supporting me this far, and thanks for the new subscribers. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to me, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And we're gonna go ahead and go for the car wash. Oh no, I'm out the way. This is done, guys. Check this out. I gotta put the front plate on because now we headed to our New Jersey. You know that place is too much. That's shiny. Look at that. Then we got Hash over here. He just did his buffing recently. Look at that, so shiny. Then we got Kais, say what's up. He just smiles. Yo, Benny. Yeah, that's Benny right there, about to head out. Alright guys, stay tuned. Gonna go ahead and head out. It's gonna be fun. Make sure to watch the full video though. Yo, before we go, guys, we just want to hear his exhaust. Catalyst here, that's it. He's the only one. Yo, go ahead, man. Sheesh. UNDERGLOW. Oh yeah, I like the photo lights. You saw him?
Yeah, that was gonna be one of my ideas right there.
It's gone
I
now.
just got my car like not a month ago.
Yeah. Oh, look at this one. They showed up last time.
Ooh. Yeah, I had so much work done on the red one that I had to go to the blue one.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. And then
Guys, check this wrap out. That is insane. V3s, blue spoiler, the reflectors. Lots. Diffuser's nice and left right there. Look at that. They got the rooftop. I mean, the roof is wrapped. This is beautiful. Look, so you guys can see more. Look at that. That is dope. And then check the other one out. Look at this. Check this wrap out, guys. What? With the V1s, it's very massive. You got the emblem right there. Transformers. That is sexy. It's got the cover on the sides too, louvers. Top. Black and then camouflage on the right. Look at this. Look at those wheels. That's clean. Side skirts. What you guys think, guys? Comment below. Which one do you like? And of course, y'all got DJ Mel here. You guys love her setup. Supreme. She's on bags, of course. You guys saw it last time. That's hers. Yeah, that's a beauty. Alright. That's mine right there. That's me. This actor is clean. You guys saw this one last time? Check this one out. That's me, guys. About to get my banner. That's Kais. Y'all know. And then we got Hashy with his underglows on. Kais, what are you doing? What are you doing, bro? What is that, iPhone 12? Let me see that. Ooh, so clean. Need one.
Yeah, man. Go a little bit this way. So you can start turning.
It's all red right here. We got the white back. Let's go to those. Look at these. These are nice wheels. Nice. Ooh, they got space. Look at that. Oh, nice. That is sexy. This one. Comment below, guys, what you guys think. This is a perfect setup right here. You guys could get anything you guys want. That's Flacco. You guys know him already. Got him before in my videos. But I don't know if he did have these wheels in the previous too. He's gonna change them soon. But yeah, guys, that's his wheels. Side skirts. I like this. How he made this like neon green. Does reflects. Looks nice. Then pick up Benny. Yo, he's here. You guys love this one. You guys love this one. Come on, don't lie. Underglow's on too. Guys, you got a question on the paint and stuff? Follow on the Instagram. DM. If you got any questions? These massive wheels right here. Why do I feel like they're 21s? But maybe 20, I don't know. They're nice. Look at this setup. You guys like these wheels. Then we're gonna go jump right to the blue. Got the same duck that I got. Look at that. That's a beautiful shot. that's so funny, man. You hit me up, you're like, where you guys at? I'm like, yo.
I was like,
I didn't know you were in the group.
Huh?
I didn't know you were in the group.
Yeah, I was at, like, the moment we went up there to the park, by the Liberty State Park.
Yeah.
We were literally
Oh, you
there
hit
for
him
like,
up. Yeah,
like
yeah.
20 minutes, and then they were like,
Oh, nice.
the
That
cop
thing's
showed
clean.
up. He's like, oh, I smell.
Oh, so you showed up earlier than me, and then you
Well,
got.
no, I saw the whole group coming in. I was like, on my way.
It
over
might
there,
be.
so then I
It
saw
might be
the
there.
people already
Yeah,
there.
that's good. That's good. Nice.
Yeah,
You
I've
want
only
to-
had my shit for like about a month.
About a month, right?
Yeah,
He
so-
had a red one, guys. So that one got crashed, and now he's working on this one from scratch. Yeah, he's still in progress. It's only been a month, so it's gonna take time. But it's nice and clean.
I just had
Clean.
it
Yeah.
washed today.
Of course.
So.
It's gonna be getting worked on, so let's go. That's nice.
The things coming in.
That's the red one, so I think I have blue one now, which I would prefer blue. It's good that you changed it. I don't know. I
I'm
don't
gonna
know.
get those side skirts.
Yeah. Yes. These are all different setups, guys. If you guys, that's the yokers. I think I can start your yokers, side skirts at the bottom. That's how they look. Look at this one. This is nice. Calipers are painted red. That one's aggressive.
And I just got my iPhone too, so I got like.
Guys, I gotta show you the chasing underglows.
Don't show that side. It's on this side.
Look at this. Oh yeah, it's darker on this side. Yo, guys, watch out, bro. I'll show the chasing underglow. It's darker on this side. Nice. Look at that. That is nice. Where? What do you mean it's elevated?
Elevator, look, you got a mighty tire.
Why is your car? I think they're trying to fix your wheels and they messed it up. No, bro. You gotta make your video.